So today I'm making a breakfast. This is the bread. What are we eating with? I'm making egg. You see the egg, guys? I want to add tuna. So this is how we make I would say truck breakfast. Maybe I order 1 can of tuna. That's 5 eggs. This is the tuna that I'm gonna add. We're here at is it Kroger in Louisville, Kentucky. So we just drop a trailer. We hook an empty one. I'm heading to Ohio. So we have to have a breakfast. I think that's the most important meal in the morning. So let me add a tuna and see how it goes. See if I can put it here. You can stay. Okay. I'm gonna add 1 can of tuna. See it there. And this is like team breakfast. Oh, what happened to me? Oh, it fell. Come on. So as you can see it, I added tuna. It's like tuna sandwich bread with egg. And click this. Oh my god. Maybe I should just let it sit like this. Maybe after 5 minutes it will be ready. God, it almost hit me. This is a professional reefer driver. Oh my god, there's a lot of black smoke on the trailer. Ooh. The Indian guy just staring at me. Oh guys, you see? Ooh. I feel like that's good. That's a good vehicle. I'm trying to flip it. Wow, you see? See how it looks. What I call it, tuna omelette. I'm gonna call it tuna omelette. And then I'm gonna make myself a tea. Actually, I'll make myself a coffee. So you gotta have your survival food in your truck. That's how you will survive. If you want to survive, team on the road, you gotta have everything in your truck. You gotta have your sandwich, your bread, sliced breads, tuna, egg, maybe white rice or brown rice.
That's racist as fuck.
What's racist? That's cool, as you can see. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna call it a tuna egg omelet. You see? We're about to kill it. I have myself. We'll just kill it with a coffee. So I'll have energy to drive.